Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and it's time to grab a new table topic. Let's see, let me grab it. The table topic for today is an idea is never original. An idea is never original. An idea. So we often appreciate the people who have like brilliant ideas. So if I talk about me, I have seen multiple stages where I learn to appreciate different things, right? Initially, when I used to be fascinated by someone's idea, and then I gradually I realized that idea is not important, execution is also important. Then I thought that execution is more important. Then after that, I learned to realize that yes, idea and execution both are important. So coming back to the point, then idea is never original. And if I take, if I have to take a stand on it, then I would be inclined on towards the fact that an idea is never original. Because the way we see, the way information we consume, it all so whenever an idea is generated, that is amalgamation of all the other things. So an idea is not original, it's just that we synthesize the information, lots of information, and we were able to come up with something that sounds unique, but it's not unique, right? So, in my opinion, again, so this is why I feel that an idea is not original. And if we look many examples in today's world as so let's talk about the Flipkart boys, the celebrated boys, Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal. They came to the India and they started a Flipkart in India, and they posed that we have started something new, and this is a very different problem that we are solving for the India. But I disagree. They were in the US and they seen the model working, and how the Amazon started from the bookkeeping store, and they exactly replicated same here. So most of the people, it looks like that they started something very new, but it's not. They just got the exposure and they saw things and they just implemented here. I'm not doubting that their execution. They have brought many innovation with that idea as well. But coming back to the point is that I feel that an idea is never original. A lot of people have occurred this idea before, but most of them did not take any action. So that's what I want to say. Thank you. Over to you.